Hello everyone, how to tools back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to block user on Hui application. So first of all, you need to make sure that which person you're going to block. So randomly I'm choosing pick up a person, a user, like uh, okay, so randomly I'm choosing an user and I'm going to block this user. So what you need to do, tap here three dot right top corner on your screen, then you'll get a pop-up menu. You can click more, or you can tap here the block, and you can see they will not able to send you message, see your post, or find your profile. So block. So this user is blocked, you can see. So this way you can block the user on Hui account. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.